Hello, it's Sarah. I've created a new video clip showing you how to create a high-low and curved hem. This clip is taken from my Ora Pinafore video, and I made it so that you can find and easily apply this technique to your old or new garments whenever you need it. To get started, match the side seams of your dress or skirt and lay it flat. I've marked the front and back skirt to make it easier to understand. Mark the starting and ending points on the front and back center seams, ensuring they are at the right angles to the edge, which will result in smooth and straight hem. Next, draw a curved line from the front to the back to achieve your desired high-low hem and cut. Try on your dress and adjust the hemline as needed. I prefer to serge the hem, but you can use your preferred method to finish it. Now fold the hem and press it. To get a smooth curved hem without puckers and creases, I like to baste or gather stitch the serged edge. Remember to leave tails on the ends. Gently pull the thread to make a slight gather. And the edge will naturally curl in. Press the hem and it's ready to sew. For added security, I like to use hem tape, which also reinforces the hem. After pressing it one more time, your hem is ready to sew. I hope this video helps you in your sewing therapy. I see you in my next video. Bye!